Teespring. Good day, my name is David Samo J, the founder and owner of What a T-shirt Design. In this video, I'm going to be creating a t-shirt design that sells on Teespring. Creating your design is one of the most important things to get sales on Teespring. So without further ado, let's get straight right to it. Let me open my Photoshop. Opening my Photoshop right now, as you can see, I use Photoshop CC to design every single graphics for my t-shirt design. So I'll click on new. I like to design in this format, so if you want to follow me on Photoshop, please always use this format. It comes out high quality all the time. So you press OK. Now I'll double tap on this padlock to unlock. I'll press OK. Now I have this layer unlocked, so if I put this off, I can put it off. You need it off when you're transferring to your t-shirt, when you're saving the final graphics, so leave this on for now. Next step, I'll import my graphics, which are already downloaded from Flat Icons. You can Google that, Flat Icons. I'll come to download, let me look for it. I'll just look for it. Yeah, this is it. So I'll just highlight and drag it to my Canva or my layer. To increase, I'll do my Alt key button, Shift button, and my left mouse click. Increase this. And when I'm okay with it, I'll just press enter. So I'm going to shift this up a little. So now I'm going to do one more thing. Come to text, this T. I'm going to make this adventure. As you can see, it's quite small. So what I'm going to do is to do Control T or Command T if you're using your Mac. I'll come over here, this edge, and I'll press down 3 buttons: Alt key button, Shift key button, and left mouse key button. I will drag outward to increase, inward to reduce. So I'll just drag outward. I'm okay with this size. I'll press enter. So the next step is to make this fanciful a bit. Please follow me to the end. I beg of you, if you want to now create sellable designs that attract customers, designs that make you money, I'll advise you to watch this video to the very end and watch my other series. I already have about 13 up. This will be the 14th one if I'm not wrong. So I'll keep producing every single day. I'll keep producing new designs. And if you want me to make a special design for you, I'll do that for one. I'll just pick a random person in the comments. You'll just comment, need a design, and I'll just reply to someone. I'll choose randomly and just ask you what kind of design you want, and I'll help you design it, record it live, and make a shout out for you. So please, if you want that, please just leave a comment and I'll be sure to design something for you. I promise. It's a promise I'm making to you loyal viewers. I'll do that. So now, to make it fancy, I'll just click on this T. Then I'll highlight from here the van. I'll change the color to yellow, and the tor, I'll make that red. Or whatever that color is. Press enter. I'll press enter, and now the next step is to do some extra effects. So I'll just click on this. I'll just do this. As you can see, it has covered that. So to uncover it, to just make it, I'll come over here where it says fill. I'll click on this cross. As you can see, it has gone. I'll now come to strokes and make that brown. make that brown, and I'll increase it a bit. Increase it a bit. Now just press enter. Now I'm gonna make it I'll click on that box again. I'm gonna make it kind of a dotted line. Enter. I'll click on it, and I'll make it red. Let's see how that goes. Here, just make it red. Let me make it brown. But let me see black. Let me see if black works. No. I'll just make it this color. So like this. So the next step is I want to vectorize this layer. So just come here, vectorize layer. Now I can cut the part I don't need. Can cut the part I don't need. So just do something like this. Just do something like this. And I'll click on delete. See that is deleted already. So I'll just click on this edge. Just click on this edge. Now I have my design. So I'll just shift it down a bit. Just shift it down a bit. And now we have the design. So the next step would be to turn off this background. Now I'll save it. Come to file, save as advanced. I already had two I already recorded in the past, but because I lost the audio, I have to do this now. Save it as 3. Saved. So I'll come back again and I will save this as PNG. So I'll save it as PNG. None. The list. Okay. Saving. So now that we have the design, the next step will just be to transfer it onto our t-shirt. So to do that, I'll get my mockup. I have a mockup I always use. If you check my other videos, you would have seen it. It's the hanger mockup. You can get that from freepic.com. Check my other videos. If you watch one or two of my videos, you know where I get them from. So just click on this design goes here. Press OK. I'll delete this one that I highlighted. I'll delete it. Just press delete on your keyboard. Then I will bring in my adventure 3, which I just designed. As you can see, it's quite big, so I'll reduce it. So to reduce it, I'll press my Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse click button, and I'll drag inwards to reduce. Drag inward to reduce. Please follow me. Okay, now that we have that, I'll press enter. Just press enter. It's transforming the layers. Now I'm going to click on save. Now we have it saved. So if I come to the shirt, I think I have it there. But it's not, it's quite big, so I'll do Ctrl T and reduce it again a bit. Press enter. Come to file and save again. And come back. You can see adventure, but there's one thing I don't like. I don't like the box, so I'll just remove that. So to remove that, I'll vectorize layer. I just come to this, this. Just do this. Just do this. Now it's marked. I'll just click on delete. Press enter again. Press enter. And now I have adventure. I'll click on save. See, we got it on our shirts and we're good to go. So I'll just save this. Just save this. Save as. Save it as adventure 3 full. Save it as PNG. Press OK. See, saved now, and that's all we have to do. Our design is ready. It only took us about 11 minutes to get this done, nothing more, just 11, and this design would definitely sell. I'm super sure about that. Please subscribe. Thank you a lot for watching. See you on the next one.